We're going right?
It'll cut off. This line will cut off.
Well, then we just gotta go fast.
Yeah.
Did you see what we're riding? Hello, what is up, YouTube? How's it going, everybody? Thank you all so much for joining me today. Oh, stop sign, stop light, red light, red light. Wow, guys, I don't even know where to start. So I just got back from Texas. I had a week of training down in Texas before I leave for my job, and wow, what a, how do I put this that I don't have to bleep it out? What a just a crappy place. It's just a really, like, a pile of crap, and then a dog came along and crapped on that pile of crap, and then that would be where I was in Texas. It's just the buildings were like old, and I swear to God they were probably built in World War II. I swear. They're just old and nasty, and just the people I dealt with were miserable. The other people going through the trainings with me, just, some of them were fine, but the other ones were just stupid. Just stupid. Like, the amount of intelligence that they had, it was medicinal. Nothing. It didn't exist. It's ridiculous. Like, you would think, as a common practice, you would know how to put on a helmet properly. This guy in front of me put it on backwards, okay? And he's walking around with this helmet on completely backwards, like a combat helmet. And oh my God, and we're all looking at him like, who is this idiot? And then somebody finally said, hey buddy, like, your helmet's on backwards. He's like, what? I'm like, your helmet, it's on backwards. Oh, like just blown away. Absolutely blown away. So if you guys are watching this, this is definitely a front-loaded video. It's mid-September right now. You're probably not going to be seeing this till, I don't know, maybe next year, 2019. So this is going to be one of my front-loaded videos. That's why it's still green and pretty out, and there's no snow. So yes, I literally just got off the plane from Texas. Well, Texas to Chicago to Charlottesville. I just got off the plane about an hour ago. Went home, showered, changed, and now I'm heading out to vlog, because this is what I love doing. I haven't been on the bike for almost 2 freaking weeks, and I'm going to meet up with a couple of the local guys that I like to ride with. We're going to do a little cruise, but man, it's been like, God, what just a terrible week and a half. And not to mention, like, the cell coverage there was just terrible. Absolutely terrible. I don't know what it was. And then, of course, my last day there, which this morning, at 3 a.m., cell coverage was perfectly fine, the entire time. But the rest of the time I was there, the whole week and a half, was crap. So I had a video I wanted to upload on the Aprilia Tuono review that I couldn't even get to, like, the like a Wi-Fi spot. Like, well, I did. I got to the Wi-Fi spot, and even that was terrible. Like, the connection was dial-up speed, I swear. I'm so excited right now. I'm so happy to be on the bike. If you can't tell, I am, like, amped. I am fired up. I'm running on, like, 4 hours of sleep. I don't even care. What's up? Don't even care, guys. I am fired up. Woo! So yeah, we're going to meet up, and I was like taking a shower and everything. I'm shaking. I got the adrenaline going through me right now. I am just so happy to be back in Charlottesville. I'm back on the bike. Unfortunately, I am going to be heading down to North Carolina on Sunday for 3 weeks. However, in that 3-week span, I will be coming back on the weekends to ride and vlog and see my friends and whatnot back home in Charlottesville. Alright, I think this is where we're meeting. I think this is where we go from here. Going in front of you, because I have a little tiny motorcycle. Okay, where are we at? Matt, where are you? Come out, wherever you are. Ah! I have found you! It is a miracle! Oh my god! Oh. Hello, give me 10. I am so amped. I am so excited. Dude, you have no freaking idea. So this is rolling on 2 wheels. This is his new R6. He just upgraded from a Ninja 400, which I didn't get to ride, which I'm kind of bummed about, but that's okay. This thing is sexy. My god. And you might remember that bike. That one was the Honda that we rode out to the bike night with, and the taillight actually fell off, and I see that he definitely still has a, oh no, he did fix it, but oh, I'm excited, guys. All right, don't hit him. Oh, thank you. All right, guys, so we just met up with 2 of my buddies, 2 of the guys that I like to ride with. Like I said earlier, Matt just got his new R6, and his YouTube channel is Rolling on 2 Wheels. I'll put it below if you guys want to check out his channel. And then behind us we have Eli on his very ghetto Street Fighter CBR 600. Which honestly I'm a huge fan of. So we are heading a different way that I've never been before. We're actually going up to 33, which is one of the passes through Shenandoah, up the mountain and back down the mountain. Done it a few times. I don't have too much battery because, like I said, guys, I just got off the plane and my GoPro wasn't fully charged. I plugged it in when I showered and stuff, and then I just kind of hope for the best. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to shut the GoPro off. Once we get to something more interesting and not this crap traffic, I'll flip it back on. And this is what I miss, guys, about Virginia. Everything is green and so alive, and it's not miserable. Like, it's just so gorgeous. The mountains and the grass and the fields and the trees and the livestock and the air, just it doesn't reek of Juarez, Mexico, no offense, but like, it's just so, it's just so beautiful out here. It's in the middle of the country. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it! I love it! So I think it's pretty funny that Honda, it took me to slow down all the way to 65 for him to catch back up to me. It blew past me, probably doing, I don't know, maybe 90. Like, whoa, look out. And you probably couldn't see it on the GoPro, but all the oil fumes just spewing out of the back as the thing is just giving it everything it's got. That little, like, probably 120 horsepower, if it's even the VTEC, which who freaking knows. It's just struggling to keep up with this 2-cylinder. I know it's a motorcycle, but it's pretty funny. Looks nice at first, and then all of a sudden it's just like hard. to the top. And now we head back down the other side. The other side. Alright guys, since this is not very exciting on the way down, I'm gonna cut the camera. I'll be back shortly. Alright guys, well we just finished gassing up. We're gonna head back over the mountain. And I'm gonna stop and, well, I'm getting some damn tacos because let me tell you, I was less than impressed with the Mexican food down in Texas. Considering how close to the border I was, it was pretty sad. So I'm gonna cut the video here, guys, since we really don't have a very exciting ride back. We're just gonna go up 33, gonna take it easy because of the cops. And then we're just gonna go down 29, which is really boring, especially during rush hour traffic, which is it's about that time right now. So I'm gonna cut the video here, but thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and as always guys, ride safe.